Sony has been quietly engineering something that doesn't just follow the rules, it breaks them. If you're tired of the same old from Apple and Samsung, you need to pay attention. The first major leaks for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII and the X Mark VIII have just hit the internet, and they are a direct challenge to the status quo. We are talking about a flagship that might bring back a resolution we thought was dead, and a mid-ranger that's about to put some pro phones to shame. Based on the latest GSMA IMEI Database filings, model numbers like PM, 1520, and XQ, GE54 have surfaced, confirming the Xperia 1 Mark VIII is officially in development. Under the hood, the rumors point toward the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This isn't just an incremental step up. It's a chip designed to go toe-to-toe with the iPhone 18 Pro silicon. But Sony isn't just using that power for gaming. They're using it for something called cinematic intelligence. For years, Sony stayed away from AI-heavy processing, prioritizing a natural look. However, leaks suggest the Mark VIII will introduce a hybrid AI system. The raw, professional look of a Sony Alpha camera paired with the low-light computational magic of a Google Pixel. The biggest mystery involves the camera sensor. Rumors are circulating about a specialized XMRT dual-layer transistor sensor at a 200-megapixel resolution. Unlike standard high-megapixel sensors, this technology is designed to capture significantly more light in a smaller footprint, potentially offering 17 stops of dynamic range. If true, this transforms the Mark VIII from a phone into a pocket-sized cinema line camera. Regarding the display, the community is divided. After moving to FHD Plus last year, supply chain whispers suggest Sony might return to a variable 4K OLED panel. This screen would stay at a power-saving 2K for daily tasks, but kick into full 4K glory the second you open high-res content. Sony is also rumored to be sticking with the 21:9 cinematic aspect ratio, maintaining their identity as the ultimate device for movie lovers. Now, let's look at the Xperia X Mark VIII. This is the phone for those who want the Sony prestige at a mid-range price. The leaks suggest a massive glow-up, jumping to a Snapdragon 7 series chip to provide the speed it's historically lacked. The real story here is the battery. Sony is rumored to be using new silicon-carbon battery tech. This allows them to keep the massive 5,000 mAh capacity while making the phone thinner and lighter than ever, potentially offering true 2-day battery life, even under heavy use. One thing that stands out in the leaked renders for both devices is the seamless design. Sony is doubling down on the no-notch, no-hole philosophy. While every other brand hides the camera under the screen or inside a pill-shaped cutout, Sony is sticking with a slim, functional top bezel. In a market full of dynamic islands, a clean, unobstructed screen has become a rare luxury. We also have to discuss this Sony tax. Early pricing leaks suggest the Mark VIII will land between $1,299 and $1,499. While expensive, Sony is keeping features that are now extinct elsewhere: the microSD slot and the 3.5mm headphone jack. Leaks confirm the jack is staying, and it may even feature a new Walkman-grade amplifier built directly into the chassis. For audiophiles who use high-end wired headphones, this remains the only device on the market that could drive them properly without an external dongle. As for the timeline, Sony typically follows a spring reveal, summer release schedule. We are anticipating a global announcement in May 2026, with units hitting shelves in June or July. While US-specific model numbers are still appearing in database filings, the global excitement is building. Think about the package: a 4K screen with no obstructions, a 200MP sensor focused on light capture, a dedicated headphone jack, and expandable storage. Sony's refusal to follow trends is exactly what makes them the ultimate underdog in the tech world. Whether you want the absolute power of the Mark I or the efficiency of the Mark X, the 2026 lineup is shaping up to be Sony's strongest showing in years. The wait for the official reveal is almost over, but if these leaks are even 80% accurate, the smartphone landscape is about to get a lot more interesting. Sony has been quietly cooking up something that doesn't just follow the rules, it breaks them. If you're tired of the same old from Apple and Samsung, you need to stop what you're doing. Because the first major leaks for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII and the X Mark VIII have just hit the internet, and they're nothing short of middle finger to the status quo. We're talking about a flagship that might finally bring back a resolution we thought was dead, and a mid-ranger that's about to put some pro phones to shame. Why is Sony being so secretive? What is the Xperia 200-megapixel mystery everyone is whispering about? And most importantly, is this the year Sony finally conquers the US market? Or are we looking at another import-only heartbreak? Stick around, because we've spent the last 48 hours digging through database filings, IMEI leaks, and insider rumors to bring you the most comprehensive breakdown of the Xperia 2026 lineup. You do not want to miss the camera section. Trust me, it's a game changer. Let's start with the big one, the flagship, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VIII. For years, Sony has been the niche king. They didn't care about the average user. They cared about the creators, the photographers, and the audiophiles. But the Mark VIII? It feels like the moment Sony decided to go for the throat. According to the latest GSMA IMEI database filings, model numbers like PM, 1520, and XQ, G54 have surfaced. In Sony speak, that confirms the beast is alive. But what's under the hood? The rumors are pointing toward the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. This isn't just an incremental step up. We're talking about a chip that is designed to go toe-to-toe with the iPhone 18 Pro silicon. But Sony isn't just using that power for gaming. They're using for something they call cinematic intelligence. For a long time, Sony stayed away from the AI hype. They wanted natural photos. But the leaks suggest the Mark VIII will introduce a hybrid AI processing system. Imagine the raw, professional look of a Sony Alpha camera, but with the low-light magic of a Google Pixel. It's the holy grail of mobile photography. And speaking of photography, let's address the elephant in the room, the 200-megapixel leak. Now wait. Before you say megapixels don't matter, listen to this. The leak suggests Sony isn't using a standard 200MP sensor like the ones you find in a Samsung Ultra. Instead, they are rumored to be developing a specialized Xperia dual-layer transistor sensor at that resolution. Why does this matter? Because it means the sensor can capture significantly more light in the same footprint. We're talking about 17 stops of dynamic range. That is unheard of in a smartphone. If this is true, the Xperia 1 Mark VIII won't just be a phone. It will be a pocket-sized cinema line camera. But what about the display? This is where the community is split. Last year, Sony moved away from the 4K resolution to a more standard FHD Plus to save battery. The fans were, let's just say, vocal about it. Well, the latest whispers from the supply chain suggest Sony has heard the screams. There is a strong possibility of a variable 4K OLED panel returning. A screen that stays at a crisp 2K for daily tasks, but kicks into full 4K glory the second you open Netflix or your photo gallery. It's the best of both worlds. And yes, the 21:9 aspect ratio, that tall, slender, cinematic look, is rumored to be staying despite the industry moving toward wider screens. Sony knows their audience. They know you want to watch movies without black bars. Now let's shift gears to the unsung hero, the Xperia 10 Mark VIII. This is the phone for the person who wants the Sony Prestige without the $1,400 price tag. Historically, the 10 series has been okay, but the Mark VIII leaks suggest a massive glow-up. We're looking at a jump to the Snapdragon 6 series Gen 4, or even a 7 series chip, which would finally give this mid-ranger the snap it's been missing. But the real story with the 10 Mark VIII is the battery. Sony has always been the king of thin and light phones that somehow last 2 days. The Mark VIII is rumored to keep that 5,000 mAh cell, but with a new silicon carbon battery tech that makes the phone even thinner while charging faster. Imagine a mid-range phone that's lighter than an iPhone, but lasts longer than a Galaxy Ultra. That's the dream Sony is selling here. One thing that has surfaced in the leaked renders for both phones is the seamless design. Sony is apparently doubling down on the no-notch, no-hole philosophy, while every other brand is trying to hide the camera under the screen with mix. The results, Sony is sticking to their guns with a slim top bezel. And honestly, in a world of dynamic islands and hole punches, a clean, unobstructed screen feels like a luxury. It's a bold move, and it's one that US buyers are starting to appreciate more and more. But let's talk about the Sony tax. We have to be real here. The Xperia 1 series has always been expensive. Early pricing leaks suggest the Mark 8 will land somewhere between $1,299 and $1,499. That's a lot of money. But Sony's argument is simple. You're not just buying a phone. You're buying a professional monitor, a high-end DAC for your music, a micro SD slot, which is practically extinct elsewhere, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Yes, the leaks confirm the headphone jack is staying. In 2026, that is a miracle. So, when can you get your hands on these? Sony usually follows a spring reveal, summer release schedule. We are looking at a potential global announcement in May 2026, with units hitting shelves in June or July. But here is the catch for my US viewers. The IMEI database shows regional variants for Europe, Japan, and Asia. The US-specific model numbers are still TBA. Does this mean Sony is pulling out of the US? Or are they just waiting to announce a specialized Pro C version for the American market? History tells us Sony takes their time with the US, but with the growing anti-mainstream tech movement in the States, it would be a huge mistake for them to skip us this year. Before we wrap up, I want to talk about the X factor. There are rumors of a new Walkman-grade amplifier being built directly into the Mark 8 chassis. If you're someone who spends hundreds of dollars on high-end wired headphones, this phone might be the only device on the planet that can actually drive them properly. It's these little details, the things Apple and Samsung ignore, that make the Xperia 1 Mark 8 the most anticipated underdog of the year. Think about it. A 4K screen with no holes. A 200MP sensor that actually focuses on light, not just numbers. A headphone jack. Expandable storage. And the raw power of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Is this the perfect smartphone? It's looking closer than ever. But what do you think? Is Sony's refusal to follow trends the reason they're still relevant? Or is it what's holding them back? Would you drop $1,400 on a phone just to have a micro SD slot and no screen notch? Or is the Xperia 10 Mark 8 the smarter move for 2026? Drop a comment below. I want to know if the Sony fans are still out there or if the Ultra and Pro Max hype has taken over. We're going to be tracking these leaks every single day as we get closer to that May launch window. If a new render drops or the US carrier list leaks, you'll hear it here first. So, if you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of Sony Mobile, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. You don't want to be the last to know when the most powerful creator phone in the world finally drops.